A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. In today's tutorial I'd like to show you how to work double crochet into a magic ring. So I have an example here where I have worked 10 double crochet into a magic ring. So it looks like so. So I'm going to start off by making a magic ring. And I'll be making the magic ring the easiest way that I find to make a magic ring. So what I'm going to do is just leave a length of yarn. I'm going to place the yarn like so and pinch it with my thumb against my finger. And I'm just going to wind a loop around until it joins here. Just hold it with my thumb. Then I'm going to insert my hook underneath this loop and I'm going to pull a loop through, and then I'm going to chain one, and I have my magic ring. So I'll be working 10 double crochet into the magic ring. So this chain is just to hold the magic ring firm, and I'm going to chain another one chain, and these two chain don't count as a stitch. So we're going to be working the double crochet into the magic ring, and as you can see we have some loops here that were formed when we made the ring, and we're going to be doing our double crochet over these loops. So I'm just yarn over hook, and I'm going to insert my hook into the magic ring underneath these two loops, and I'm just going to make my double crochet as normal. And I'm going to be doing that 10 times. So we just go into the ring underneath these two loops and we make our double crochet. And we just continue until we have made 10. So into the ring underneath those two loops. So I've made 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, and into the ring underneath those two loops, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet, 7 double crochet, 8 double crochet, 9 and just into the ring under those two loops, 9 double crochet, and 10 double crochet. So I have worked 10. So before I close the ring and slip stitch into the first double crochet to close the round, I'm going to count my stitches. So these two chain don't count as a stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm not going to slip stitch until I've pulled the ring closed. So we just pull on this thread that we had when we started the magic ring, and then I'm going to miss these two chain and slip stitch into the first double crochet I made. And we have our 10 double crochet in the magic ring. If you don't want to use a magic ring, there is another way to work your double crochet in the round. So I'm just going to pull this out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be working a slip knot. So I've made my slip knot and I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. and we're going to be working our double crochet, all the 10 double crochet into this first chain that we made, which is the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, the third chain from the hook, the first chain that we made. And as you can see, we have 3 loops in the chain that have formed the chain, and we're going to be working our double crochet under these top 2 loops. So underneath these top 2 loops, and we leave this bottom loop. These 2 chain won't be counted as a stitch. So I'm just under these top 2 loops, I'm going to make my first double crochet. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and into the same place under these 2 loops, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, and this thread that we started off with, I'm just going to hold it up here against this bottom loop of the chain, and we're going to be working our double crochet under there and working that thread in with the double crochet. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So under these 2 loops, 6, and then 7, and just hold it up against this, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It just makes it easier if you've worked this thread in with your double crochet to pull the hole closed. Before we pull the hole closed, I'm just going to count my stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we'll do it. You see, I haven't done my, haven't counted correctly, so I'm going to have to work another double crochet in, which is a good thing because I haven't closed the hole yet. So we don't count these 2. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to have to work another double crochet, and luckily I haven't pulled the ring closed because it can be quite difficult to work an extra stitch in there. So I'm just going to recount. So we have our 2 chain, not a stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And unlike the magic ring, we're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet before we pull it tight. So we miss these 2 chain and we slip stitch into the first double crochet and we pull the ring tight. And we have worked our 10 double crochet into the round. And you just continue on working in the round, or whatever pattern you are following, just continue with that. And it doesn't look too much different from the one that we used the magic ring with, just it will be slightly bigger. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and useful to you. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.